this is going to be a quick one. Water drops. Lots of people have got their own ways of doing them. I'm just going to show you mine because I think it's quite quick and quite effective. Right, using blue tack, and I've just pre-cut just some little arc shape bits and bobbies out of that piece of card. Take your piece of blue tack, stick it on. You can obviously make these whatever shape you like, depending on what size you need them. Round one. Stretch it out. Do a bit of a drip. For the shadow, depending on your background colour, use a darker version of that colour. If you use black, it's a bit harsh, and so I've mixed up a dark blue just for the shadows, and then just pop a bit round it. Aim at the blue tack rather than the card paper, whatever you're working on, because you only want a little bit of overspray to give you the shadow. And it's surprising how far that overspray creeps around. Don't need a huge amount. Whip your blue tack off. Now, from the darkest area, I'm just going to shade the inside, just a tap. Gives it a bit of roundness. And then again at the top. Right, and then I swap to white. And then find the best fit, probably that one, and then just up from the shadow, literally just up from the shadow, again you don't need much, you could literally just pop a bit in there. You can actually keep the brush in the same spot. A bit big, that one. Smaller one. Highlight up the top. super quick water drops. If you have the shadow darker, do a darker one. If you have the shadow darker there, it just pulls it out and makes it more of a spherical drop, whereas they look quite flat. That one looks more of a round kind of drop. That's it. Said it was going to be quick. Makes a change for me. Normally a 20-minute two-part one. So, glue tack. That's the answer.